In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add related posts in your Wix blog. After this tutorial, you'll be able to display other relevant content to your readers, thereby increasing engagement and time spent on your site. First of all, let's deal with the basic part of getting there. You'll want to make your way over to your site's dashboard. Once you are there, the next place to go is the blog section. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to creating and editing your blog posts. So keep an eye on this section because you'll be using it frequently. Once you're inside the blog section, you have two options. If you wish to create fresh content, simply click on the Create New Post button. Alternatively, if you want to add related posts to an already existing content, locate and click the Edit option. Both options will lead you to the Post Editor, where we will undertake our next action. In the Post Editor, a left side panel full of various settings options is waiting for you. Without wasting any time, click on the Settings tab. This will reveal more nested tabs, of which you should locate and click on the Advanced tab. This is where all the advanced settings related to your post are housed. Inside the Advanced options, you will find the Related Posts section. There, you'll see a button that says Choose Posts. Upon clicking it, you will be able to select the posts which you believe have a strong connection with the one you are currently editing or creating. After making your pick, go ahead and click on Done to finalize your choices. Now that you have learned how to link related posts to a current one, let me show you how to customize the display of these related posts. We begin this journey by going back to your site editor. From there, navigate to your blog's post page. Find and click on the blog element or post page element. This will reveal further settings which you can alter to improve your related post look. Just click on Settings one more time and then find your way to the Display tab. In the Display tab, you'll find a few distinct options which you can enable or disable depending on your preference. For instance, one of the options is titled Show Related Posts. If you want your readers to see the related post you linked, keep it enabled. Additionally, there is the Display Post Label option, with which you can set a custom title, like Related Posts. And finally, the Show See All link enables users to see all the related posts at once. Simply toggle these options to best suit your style and audience needs. And that's it. You've now mastered the art of adding and optimizing related posts in your Wix blog. The ball is now in your court to help your readers discover more of your fabulously crafted content. Give it a try today and experience a boost in your site engagement.